A stormy day is in store for the eastern parts of the Northern Cape as well as across the eastern half of the country. We are also expecting thunderstorms over the interior of the Western Cape, but along the east coast we are going to see more of rainfall here. It's going to be dry along the west coast and the southwest coastline with a bit of fog forecast around the Namaqualand area. Now, we are expecting up to an 80% chance of thunderstorms this Tuesday over the southern parts of the Free State and the northern sections of the Eastern Cape. Where you see the dark shade of blue, a 60% chance of thunderstorms is forecast, and we're expecting a 40% chance of precipitation wherever you see that light shade of blue. The South African Weather Service has issued a warning for extremely hot weather conditions over the northern parts of the Northern Cape. Temperatures here will easily reach and exceed 40 degrees in places. We also have a warning for gale force winds along the southwest coastline from Cape Point into the Cape Agulhas area. A watch has also been issued for heavy rains over the central parts of the country wherever you see that shade of amber. Afternoon temperatures are going to peak at around 33 degrees for Cape Town, hot across much of the Northern Cape, Kimberley reaching highs of around 34, 32 in Bloemfontein, Mahikeng 31, a warm 27 in Joburg, the same for Polokwane. Pretoria will hit the 30-degree mark, 27 as well for Durban, and temperatures will be in the upper 20s for Bishop as well as Port Elizabeth. Along the coastal areas, things are going to look more like this. Fairly good beach conditions are forecast from Alexander Bay down into Namaqualand, and we're expecting moderate winds along the west coast. Along the southwest coastline, the winds are going to be much stronger from the Falls Bay area extending down into Cape Agulhas, and this is going to keep beach conditions poor over these areas. Just off the southwest coastline, swell heights will average around 3.5 meters. We are also expecting strong winds along the south coast, and here wind speeds could reach around 45 kilometers per hour. Lastly, a look along the east coast. Rainy weather is going to keep beach conditions poor over these areas, and strong winds are forecast around East London and the Wild Coast.